Hey Samantha. So yeah, you're definitely on the right track. Let's think about this in another way. Let me just grab a quick screen sketch of this so I can write. Here we know the tan of theta is negative root 3, right? So remember that the tan of any angle, theta, equals like y over x, right? Really, the y component of that, of any triangle we would make over the x. So what we got to think about is what's going to happen such that we get a negative number, right? When we multiply or divide these things out. So if we flip over to the unit circle, let's check this out. The unit circle, what we're looking for here, remember tan is y over x, so we're looking for a root 3 over 2. Like look at the y's here. There's no root 3 until right here. And if we divide that by a half, that's like multiplying by 2, and everything else will cancel, right? Just let me sketch that out to show you. So if we're going to divide this out, we would have root 3 over 2 times 2, right? Instead of dividing by half, remember we changed the sign to multiplying and we flipped the second fraction, and then here, those are going to cancel. So that's cool. That's what we're looking for, but we need to have a negative at the end of the day. So as we go through this, what I want is for one of these two sides to be a negative, but not both, right? And the y has to be the root 3 over 2, because if the x was root 3 over 2, we'd have to rationalize and we'd get a different number. So here, we're on the right track, but it's not negative. Over here, this is definitely going to be 1 right here. Okay, so it's going to be 2 pi over 3. That's one of our angles right there, because again, if I divided this out, the 2's would cancel and I'm left with negative root 3. Down here now, we can see that, oh, they're both negative, so that doesn't work. And then over here, one's negative. So these are going to be our two angles, just from the unit circle. We're going to have 2 pi over 3, comma, 5 pi over 3. And that's really all we're asked to put in here. Don't work in degrees or anything like that. We're not given degrees on this question. Degrees are not good. 2 pi, I'm just typing pi over 3. And then I'm going to go up, make a comma, and then we're going to go 5 pi over 3, and that should give it to us right there. So those are our two angles, just taken right from the unit circle. Hope that helps.